Hey students, welcome in this YouTube channel. Let's do this question, and the question is taken from class 10 chapter 8 introduction to trigonometry, and the question is, if sine theta plus sine square theta plus sine cube theta is equal to 1, prove that cos power 6 theta minus 4 cos power 4 theta plus 8 cos square theta is equal to 4. So this thing we are to prove, and this is given to us. So we'll start from the given. So given is sine theta plus sine square theta plus sine cube theta is equal to 1. So what we do, we'll take this sine square theta to right hand side, so that it will become here 1 minus sine square theta, and we know 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. So let's write. So it becomes sine theta plus sine cube theta is equal to 1, and this sine square becomes here minus sine square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta you can write as cos square theta, that we have this identity, and here sine theta can be taken common. So sine theta is common. What is left? 1 plus sine square theta is left inside. So again we'll try to make or try to convert sine theta into cos theta. So here also sine square theta can be converted into cos square theta. So it becomes sine theta into 1 plus this sine square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta, right? And rest as it is. So maximum try we will be doing to make or to convert sine into cos. So here let's see what will be happened. 1 plus, here you can open this, so or 1 plus 1 you can write directly 2, and then it is minus cos square theta, right, is equal to cos square theta. Now if I do squaring here, then this sine will also convert it into sine square theta, and afterward we can write sine square theta as 1 minus cos square theta, and this will also be changed into cos, and everything is in cos now. This is to be converted, so you can write squaring both sides. So it becomes sine square is sine square theta, and here it is 2 minus cos square theta whole square is equal to cos square theta square is cos power 4 theta. Okay, so now what we do, see, sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta, identity we can use here, and here a minus b whole square, that is a square, 2 square is 4, plus b square, that is cos power 4 theta, minus 2 into a into b. So 2 into 2, 4 into this, so it becomes 4 cos square theta is equal to cos power 4 theta, right? So now further what we do, we'll multiply this bracket with 1 minus cos square theta. So first of all multiply with 1, these all, so 4 into 1 is 4, plus this into 1 is this only, into 1 is this only, 4 cos square theta. Now again minus cos square theta into 4, that is minus 4 cos square theta, and minus cos square theta into cos power 4 theta becomes minus cos power 6 theta, right? So further minus cos square theta into minus 4 cos square theta is plus 4 cos power 4 theta, and is equal to cos power 4 theta is as it is with us. Okay, this is there. So now you can see that any like term we can cancel. So let's write in this side. First of all, see, cos power 4 theta and cos power 4 theta can be cancelled on the both side. Okay, so what is left? See, 4 this, okay, cos square theta, any like term? Yes, it is cos square theta. Anything else? No. Minus 4, that is minus 8 cos square theta is left with us, and then power talking about power 6, that is minus cos power 6 theta, and it is 4 cos power 4 theta is equal to 0 now with us. Okay, nothing is left here. Okay, so now keep this 4 in this side, and rest you take to other side, because we have to prove this as equal to 4. So this will become here plus, this also plus, this will be minus. So first of all you can write this in that side, it becomes cos power 6 theta, and this will go, then it becomes plus 8 cos square theta, and when this will go in that side, will become here, this is so this will become minus 4 cos power 4 theta, and you can see this is to be proved only, same thing. So you can say hence proved. So this way we will do this question. Thanks for watching.